My lab focuses on genetic and molecular epidemiology of cancer, and I focus mainly on leukemia, lymphoma, and precancerous conditions such as monoclonal B-cell lymphocytosis, known as MBL, and it's a precursor state to chronic lymphocytic leukemia. It's the most common pre-malignant condition in humans. The prevalence of this condition is about 17% in adults over the age of 40. What's important is that it's an asymptomatic condition and no treatment is available. The vast majority, 95% of MBS, cannot be detected through a complete blood count. Therefore, they are unaware that they have this condition, and we don't fully understand the clinical implication of this condition. There are only a handful of researchers that are studying MBL in the world, and I'm the only one who is studying this condition in Israel. And it's very important to study this condition in Israel because all the studies were performed on European ancestries. And in Israel, we have this wide range of ethnic populations that can really help us study this disease and understand the clinical implication. Now, how do we detect MBL? And specifically low-count MBL? We have to use flow cytometry, and we're using a FACT machine. It's actually something that you have to do in a hospital setting. So we collaborate with Bnei Zion Medical Center, and what we do in the lab, we have PhD students that are collecting blood samples and Bruker samples from individuals across 8 hospitals in Israel, and we have more hospitals that are going to join us. We are recruiting leukemia and lymphoma patients. We are recruiting the first-degree family members. We extract DNA and plasma samples, and we are creating a biobank where we can use these samples for various examinations. And we are trying to detect which genetic biomarkers are associated with MBL or with leukemia or with lymphoma. So by doing this study on those various subgroups in Israel, we will be able to have a more accurate risk prediction models for these subpopulations. And then we can move on to personalized medicine. I did all my degrees at the Hebrew University. My background is biostatistics. I did a PhD in epidemiology. Then I continued to my postdoc at the Mayo Clinic, where I specialized in cancer genetic epidemiology. I came back to Israel because it's very important for me to promote research in Israel, the family, the friends. I always knew that I would come back. I'm hoping that my research in the lab studying MBL will help millions of individuals around the world, and we can plan preventive strategies in order to stop from the disease progression and provide a more personalized medicine for these individuals.